Myself, Kaumudi Vaidya from Bharat CXO. We have Ms. Ekta Dubey with us right now. She is the co-founder of the Brain Analytics. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. So, how are you feeling about the event? It's overall your event
So,
is
of
the
course, every time we do event, it's
Yes.
an amazing feeling.
Yes.
We start with the hope that it goes well. We get the right set of people, we get the right speaker, we get right partners on board. So the entire thing makes the event successful.
Perfect. And it's the I think fourth edition of the BSFI summit.
Yes. So it's a fourth annual BFSI meet that we are doing, and we plan to do it every year because this is one of the flagship events. And BFSI is, of course, one of the most happening sector when it comes to entire economy of India. And Mumbai being the hub, of course, we plan to do it more. And not just BFSI, but we want to tap various domains that come under BFSI. Like we can talk about insurance, NBFC, fintech. We can talk about lending and collections, risk management. So there are many aspects attached to BFSI.
Truly, truly. So, how was your experience doing all the four and also the upcoming editions also? So, how's your experience being till now?
So the experience starts from speaking to the senior personas in the industry, doing a proper research work, understanding what are the pain areas they go through, and accordingly we curate a content that these should be the key themes that we need to address in a one-day conference. So that's how the entire idea is set up. And post that, we start reaching to the senior leaders who join us as a speaker, and to cover those pain areas we have solution providers like we have today. We have Unisys, we have Monosep, we have Survey Sensum, we have ESDS, we have Shina Techia, and we have Digital Track. So likewise, we have various partners who address to the pain areas of these industry personas, and that is how we see growing and getting more partners on board.
Wonderful, wonderful. I would like to ask you one more partner about the media partners.
Yes.
So, how's your experience of being with us, the Bharat CXO, as media partners? How's the experience been?
So media partner, I would say, is also one of the most important element that adds, value to the event, because they do the entire coverage of your events, which of course is kind of a memory treasured for our future events. And we can always go back and see, oh, this is what has happened, but this is only because of you guys are here, and we have been associated for few events in the past, and the experience has been phenomenal. You guys have taken care to ensure that the right speakers are invited for the interviews. My partners are invited and introduced. Good delegates are invited here, and you take their interviews. So that's how we come to know kind of a feedback, what they feel about. So that what they're going through is addressed through you guys.
Truly.
So thank you for associating, and we look forward to take you to international level as well with us.
Surely, surely. All the feelings are very mutual, Ekta. And to the viewers, what are your future projects? Anything new coming up?
We have lots of new things, but certain are undisclosed. Sorry to say that, but current events that you see, there are various addition coming up, and in addition to that, we are going to get into the domain, what I said, into the various functionalities of such BFSI domains, where we would want to invite people from that specific domain so that we understand their pain areas, and accordingly those pain areas are addressed by the solution provider.
Truly.
And of course covered by media partners like you.
Of course.